Come here. No. Look, we got to huddle. Come huddle with Daddy. Ready? Break. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, hike! Ready? Almost! Thought we were playing football. You gonna throw Daddy the football? Yeah. You gonna play baseball now? Okay, come here. Daddy wants... Oh, wait. Daddy wants a practice swing. Give Daddy a practice swing. You ready to hit the ball? You ready? Oh. Nice. You want Daddy to throw it again? Give me a practice swing. Both hands. No, you don't throw your bat. Are you running to first base? Run to second. Run to second base. You're gonna have to go poo-poo. No? Where's Brendan?